Muñecas, mabuhay, I'm Ilus and welcome back to my channel. Ew. So we're finally here for like our Pinoy watching feel. Is that a thing? Yeah, maybe. And today I would like to go back with Mama Pao because I miss her. And so I was thinking to watch Barbie the Wonder Becky. As always, I didn't watch any trailer, any stories. You know what? Let's dive in immediately. Shut up already. She's giving me Power Ranger realness. Ooh, she's literally Wonder Woman. Our Pinoy Wonder Woman. Come on, whip it. Love this color on her, by the way. Ooh, come on, stunts. Yes. Shut up. Not in her mouth. Oh my god, I hope that's orange juice.
Hello, it's not me that's nasaniban, it's you kaya.
Ano, hindi ka naiintindihan yung mga pinagsasabi mo? Ang lala mo na magsalita.
Anyway, Tito, di ba may work ka tonight? Kaya dinalhan kita ng favorite mong afternoon juice. Buwas na nga lang.
Salamat.
Juice. I thought it was morning.
Hinagisa mo na rin ako ng omelette, di ba? Para kumpleto na.
The voice!
Nagsigaling talaga ito reporter nito. Parang tanga. Ang tinis ng boses, parang bakla.
Bakla agad pa.
Alam mo naman hindi ganun kalakihan ang sweldo niyan.
Wow ha, kuya ha. Thank you sa concern ha. Okay na sana eh, may halong lait lang eh. Kesa naman sa'yo. Eh, asawa't anak na, dito pa rin nakatira.
Ano sabi mo?
Ha? Sabi ko, yummy yung pizza.
Okay, so they are like all in the police, but she's dreaming like to be like Wonder Woman and fighting these bad boys like in drag. The picture of her mother, it's him in drag. Love it. Love it.
Mama, saan pa ako aabante? Ito na ang tulo ng buhay ko. Mananatili na lamang ako isang security guard.
Oh, okay. So, it's all about the position, the levels. Okay. He's hot. It's really hot. Okay. That bird, I don't like it. Maybe another kind of bird, yes, but not that. No. Okay. We're vibing with him. Yes. Okay. Damn, I really hope they end up together. So cutie patootie, look at him. Damn, he's really fine. Ah! What's the helmet?
Siya pala, kinis ko lang yung Angry Bird mo. Ay, yung ano, tinitingnan ko lang kung totoong leather tong loob.
Oh, so that was the fucking Angry Bird character, okay.
Dito pala siya.
I will be delusional, you know, but as I said before, I really hope that they will end up together. That's my hope.
1, 2, 3, 4, go!
Who is she?
Ano, Tol?
J Blow.
Hindi na kita i-drop sa trabaho mo?
So he's a security guard, like in a club.
Hindi. sige, salamat. Kumain na ako eh.
Not
Sige,
them.
pasok na ka.
Thirsting over him.
Alam niyo, daya niyo eh. Para fair, gusto niyo, isilig ko rin yung mga puwet niyo.
Welcome home, Master Akihiro-base, Madam Okra, Miss Charisse.
Billy, puntahan mo ako dito sa kwarto mamaya, ha? Ma,
Bakit po, madam?
kasi parang masakit. Masama kasi yung pakiramdam ko. Dut-dutin mo ako. I mean, masahiin mo ako, ha?
Even her, she's having a crush on him. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You challenge me. Masyado kang pa-delicious.
Well, I am also delicious.
Oh. Oh. Oh my god. That's creepy. That's fucking... That diva in the back with that leg stretch. What's happening here? Why? Why they're all like in love with him? Why? It's because now like his family is famous, or because they really find him attractive?
Medyo masakit pero okay lang, Billy. Gusto kong sinasaktan ako eh.
Billy, come in.
Damn. Also her, also the mother. Oh my god. Oh my god. It was an hallucination, okay.
Billy,
My god. My god.
bilis.
Not him.
Magkano po per kilo?
Nangalan.
Wala po.
No, oh my god, not this. Not this. Like he's marinating. Oh my god, no, this.
You are so crispy.
Not crispy. J-Blow.
Tapos hindi kumpleto yung uniforme ko? Palibasa kasi, hindi mo alam ang kahalagahan ng magka-award.
Kala mo naman napakalaki nung kriminal na huli nyo, akyat bahigang lang naman.
Ano yung sinasabi? Paano totoo naman?
The dolls are fighting. The dolls are fighting!
Balang araw, magiging proud din kayo sa akin.
Oh. The hair flip. He's really cute. He's really, really cute. So with a little mustache.
Pop-up, sandali lang. Hanap baka matusok ng baba mo yung mukha niya. Ako na lang kiss mo. Billy, bilis mo.
Shade!
Nagsalita ang matabang perfect. Kung ituso kaya yung haba nitong baba ko dyan sa double chin mo.
Element, how dare you come here, Vito? After what you did? At paano kayo nakapasok?
Okay, so this is the chance for Billy, even though it will be very difficult and not fair, for him to save his boss and get a promotion, maybe.
Sino dyan? May tao, umiihi.
Billy!
Gusto mo dumito? Lumabas ka dyan! Tumatae na rin, tumatae! sir! Naku! Sir! Sir, don't die, sir! Your family needs you! Madam Oprah needs you! No one will ever love her except you, sir! I was just joking.
No.
Ano nangyari?
Ano ba yan? Ano ba kasi yan?
Pwede, balik mo na ako!
Miley, trending yung video ng pananaksak ng Tito Billy mo.
It's trending. Of course. Of course.
Mr. B, parang awa niyo na. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Hindi ako mamatay kay Mr. B. Hindi ko siya pinatay! Hindi ko siya!
Pag hindi ka tumahimik,
Saksakin ni Billy ang asawa ko.
sumuko ka na. Dahil ang batas ay batas. Walang pamilya, walang kapatid.
Okay, like so before it was loved by everybody, and now like the coin flipped and everybody hates him, you know. Oh, so he will get in drag.
Ready ka na?
Ready na.
Billy? Este.
She's here finally.
Siyempre naman, just call me Barbie, the Wonder Becky.
Barbie, the Wonder Becky, I'm happy to meet you.
No, I'm the one who's happy to meet you. And I
love this. And I thank you. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So she's getting also popular.
Barbie, I would like you to meet our choreographer, our director, performer din siya. This is Beyonce.
Beyonce as in Beyonce Knowles, yung asawa ni JC.
No. Ang nickname niya ay Beyong. Beyong. Pinangalan siya dun sa dating siga sa Sampaloc, Maynila, si Beyong. Grace Ganggang yon. Ang tunay niya pangalan ay Eusebio. Ang apelyido niya ang C. Beyong C. Chinese.
Chinese.
Yo, ma.
Hello, hi, Barbie. Hello, nice to meet you.
Di ba na-introduce ka na? Ano to paulit-ulit?
Oh my god, the throat.
Larry the Bird. Ang porter sa club na to.
Nice to meet you.
Oh my god, he will fall in love with Barbie.
See you around.
I can already see it. You know, even though there's no translation here, no subtitles for me to understand everything, I can see it in the eyes of them. They're back.
And now,
Put your hands together.
Already, we're gonna see the show.
Siya si J. Blow.
Damn, I have to say that Barbie is look so pretty. J Blow, she needs a little bit of get it together a little bit. They're gonna fight. I know that they're gonna fight.
Barbie, can we have a selfie together? Yung tayong dalawa lang,
Sige,
please.
sige.
Yay! 1, 2, 3.
With the flash. It's a selfie with a flash on.
Kilala niyo po sila?
Barbie. Nga pala.
She's not
Pwede
stupid.
mo itang ayahin ko ba?
She saw her TikTok. I can,
oras ba?
yes, I can say it. I don't know why they're not translating no more. Ooh, come on, Bob. Aw, that's cute. Come on. Ooh, Barbie.
Okay, sige. Sorry ka na lang, J-Lo, dahil hindi ikaw ang tinutukoy nilang The Shining Superstar.
Sina?
Damn.
Barbie!
What the fuck? Putot nyo! Ha? Tell me, saang universe yung makikita na mas magaling sa akin tong nobody na to? Tell me, talk!
Sumusobra ka naman, J-Blow.
Aba, sumasagot na siya. Anong karapatan mong sumagot, ha, newbie? Can you please pick up? Can't hear you.
Eh, bakit hindi mo itanong sa mga fans mo na nagsasabing mas magaling ako sa'yo?
They're really fighting. The dolls are really fighting.
Baka ang ibig niyo sabihin, burnt.
Natuto ka lang ng dance steps ng isang kanta. Tapa ka na ngayon. Alam mo, feeling ko kailangan ng gupitin yung sungay mo. Diba? Sige, pagbibigyan kita. Dahil matapang ka, hinahamon kita ng lip sync to lip sync. Tignan natin kung kaya mong lumebel sa tunay na reyna.
Oh my god, this will be
Let's
really
see.
interesting.
I'll roll your little boat, girl. And yeah, I got this show.
But they're gonna fight together?
Surrender from this hurricane.
Yes, they're
No
gonna.
way. I can't pretend that it's okay.
Even with the dancers.
I want to show today. It's just a day. In my life, it's a hurricane.
Of course she will win Barbie. Of course.
Winds and crazy flights. It's just a day.
Oh, they're fighting. Push her, push her. She's a star. That's how you steal the spotlight.
It's hurricane.
She's thinking about Barbie being his tito. I know.
Kasi,
And I have to say that she is really, really pretty.
Kasi po, Mr. B, oo nga, masaya nga ako malaya bilang si Barbie. Pero si Billy naman po, nananatiling bilanggo tsaka nagtatago.
That's true. That's true. And it's so sad. Billy is not accepted, you know, in his family. But Barbie is accepted by everyone and she's got like a new family. But we have to understand if she's got this new family because she's like famous, viral, or if they really love her, you know? And that's like really hard to choose, you know?
Na itong mga bad people na to ay may kinalaman sa pagpatay sa aking dead husband.
I want to see the look. I want to see the makeup. I want to see all the fantasy. Oh my god, yes.
Ito na yata ang sinasabi ni Master Bakes bago siya mashiko.
Yes, but now get out. Not this. Not this. Where did she get the software? Or him? Where? How? Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so fucking stupid.
it's okay, Tito. Alam kong ikaw yan. Ilang araw ko na pinag-iisipan. And now, we #connect the dots.
With the hashtag.
I know that it is you.
Come on. Oh my god. She's the only one who cares for you.
Di ba ikaw
But, you know, you can tell her, but you have to say
I'm your Tito B.
it's a secret, okay? Let's keep it a secret until, you know, all the water is clear and that's it.
Mga location ng operations na yan. At yung isa na yan, dito yan sa Manila.
Tita Barbie, this is like super
But
delikado.
she's gonna go there?
#shook.
Pasyok-syok ka pa dyan.
Same,
Isyok-syok
same.
mo na yan doon sa ano.
Oh my god, already? They're fast, I have to say. God damn. Oh my god. There are only two of them. Okay.
No problem.
They're gonna kiss? They're gonna kiss? They're gonna kiss?
Dito po tayo sa lugar.
They're not.
We now have evidence that we clear same of all charges.
Yes!
Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yes. But I hope that I was loving so much Barbie. So much. But Larry is strange. Why isn't there? Maybe it was like part of the bad boys. I don't think so. No, I don't think. Okay, we have a hug.
Oh, Barbie!
Barbie! Naku, I'm so proud of you. Tinan mo ikaw ang cover ng Girl Power at saka Maga Teen Magazine.
I wasn't expecting this.
Oo naman. Alam mo, naging cover din ako dati. Pero tabloid nga lang, tsaka kaso pa yun.
I was like, okay, it's gonna end then.
Groping.
It's finished.
Cover ka.
But of course not.
Magatin. Ang ganito sa Magatin.
Groping.
Barbie?
Ano pa? Akala ko naman kung ano naman eh.
My god.
Pwede ba ako bumalik sa grupo? With the girls?
Of course naman.
Complete ang family!
The theater.
Wow! Fabulosa!
And of course,
Fabulous!
with the wonder look. Yes, yes, beat him. Come on, girl. Yes. Okay, they're fast. I have to say, they're really, really fast. Damn. Yes, punch him. Yes. Harder. Yes, left.
Just sorry po pa ha. Kuya, ate. Sorry.
They have to say sorry to you. Not you to them.
Peki ako.
Nak, bakit ka nagsusorry? Hindi mo naman kailangan sabihin yan eh. Anak, proud ako sa'yo. Oo, pinangarap ko na sana nakasunod ka sa yapak ko bilang isang pulis. Pero kung ano ka man ngayon, saan ka masaya? Happy pa rin ako sa'yo.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so sad that we're gonna kill somebody here. The other stupid man. Yeah, but where is the other one? Did they arrest him? Or not? Larry, that's Larry here.
Hi, Larry. Sorry ha. Dapat sinabi ko na sa'yo.
Hinihintay ko lang naman na aminin mo eh. Tagal ko nang alam. Date pa lang natin, alam ko na. At tanggap ko.
Oh my god, no, you really.
Ha? Eh, ba't di mo sinabi sa akin?
It's so stupid. It's so pretty, but so stupid.
Okay ka lang pa. Okay lang.
This was so cute. This film here was really, really fun, really, really cute. I was missing also Mama Paul, so that's why I also decided to watch this movie. And it was really fun, really pretty. I'm sorry that, you know, in some parts, the subtitles weren't there. I don't know why, but it is what it is also because I can only find this film, this movie here on YouTube, you know, and in other platforms or streaming services here in Italy doesn't work, you know. So all the films that you recommend to me. I can only find it here on YouTube. And I'm so lucky that I can find it here. So yeah, by the way, it was really great, really fun. Thank you so much. I will try to watch everything that you are suggesting me, but you have to be patient because it's really hard for me to keep up with everything, with Drag Race on TikTok, all the franchises, and also doing this kind of, stuff here on YouTube. And other than that, thank you so much for the support, for the love. I'm really grateful for you all. And mahal ko kayo. That's right, really? Right? That's right? Mahal ko kayo. Putang ina mo. No. Mahal ko kayo.